Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. It is my pleasure to be a moderator again of this wonderful webinar. My name is Rohamina Gapor. I am a Filipino. I feel honored and privileged to host this webinar. And before we formally begin our program, let me give you a little bit background about Institute of Global Professionals for those participants who are new tonight. IGP is a leading online skills development institute with thousands of learners worldwide. Institute of Global Professionals is an educational institution provides social work with globally recognized. We have organized this webinar, training, offline and online courses from best and trained speakers, trainers from all over the world to create a best learning platform for all of you. We believe that it's not effective to increase one's skills just by acquiring formal education. So we provide effective training and consultation to generate proficient generation all around the world. Our mission is to empower people and improve their skills. We have successfully completed 272 webinars. Tonight, we are pleased to bring you 273 webinar entitled Digital Classroom Engagement Tools with Google Sites. So this topic is very relevant. So with brilliant speaker and handsome all the way from the Philippines, Sir Arturo E. De Leon. Sir Arturo E. De Leon, he is a Microsoft Innovative Educator. Okay, so please, our lovely participants, don't forget to share this webinar in your community. You can tag or mention your friends in the comment box. And if you have any questions about the presentation, you can please give them and ask in our Q&A version. Okay, so now without further ado, please help me welcome Sir Arturo E. De Leon, all the way from the Philippines. Sir, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, good evening. How are you, sir?
So I'm good and ready to share, ready to give knowledge all about the how to create website using the Google site.
Wow, that's very relevant topic, sir. So all the best with your presentation, sir. With your presentation. So good luck, sir.
Yes,
You
thank you
can
very much.
present your screen.
Okay, so allow me to share my screen.
And
Okay,
sure,
yep. Thank you very much, ma'am.
you are welcome, sir.
So I'm about to start with my topic this evening. So good evening to all the viewers of the IGP of the Institute of Global Professionals. I am so excited to share to you the knowledge that I have when it comes to creating a website. So this may be used for a school website or a class website.
Hello. Okay.
So before I start, let me allow me to introduce myself. So I am Mr. Arturo E. De Leon. So from Lian, Batangas, Philippines. So I am a Microsoft Innovative Educator, MIE Master Trainer for 2020-2021, a Wakelet Ambassador Wave 29, if you are familiar with the Wakelet community, if you are already a member of the Wakelet community, so I am one of the ambassadors. So I am also an Edpuzzle coach, Adobe Creative Level 2, again, a teacher too from SDO Batangas, Lian National High School, Lian, Batangas, Philippines, and one of the administrator of the Digipil Technician. So with my FB page, FB name, Sensei Art De Leon, so you'll be able to contact me if you have some questions regarding any related topic when it comes to ICT. So I am very much happy to help you with my best knowledge. So so this evening, I'm about to share to you what is a Google site and how you are going to use Google site to create your own website for your school, for your own class website. So as an overview, so let's have the goal of this presentation is to introduce the new and improved Google site to be used by educator to facilitate learning. So without understanding how to code, anyone can create a website with Google Site. Our goal is to give you an idea on how to create your own website for your subject part. So be guided by the step-by-step procedure. You will be able to create your website for your student. Google Site is a free and user-friendly platform to be used in creating a website. So with this overview, again, you'll be able to learn how to create your own website without having an idea on how to create by means of coding. So there's no need for you to learn how to code. There's no need for you to have a background with the HTML. So by simply using this Google site, you'll be able to create your own website. Okay, so what is a Google site? So Google Site is a quick and easy way to create a website. Google Site make it easy to put everything in a one place and your website will look great. Yeah. So this is for educational use of Google Site. Here are the three quick and easy way to use Google Site as part of your work. So number one, create a website to display resources like a course syllabus, videos, website, and other information for a unit of study or a course. Next is create a website to help college quickly find shared materials and resources. Then last one, create a website for a school, sport, team, or activity club. So, okay, so I'm about to do the demonstration instead of having my PowerPoint presentation. So we simply proceed with the actual demonstration on how to create a website. So yeah, so the first step that you are about to do, simply log in to your Google site, google.com. So within your browser, just simply type google.com and log in with your personal account or any account that you want to use for your class website. So you'll be able to use your educational account if you want to use your educational account. Okay. So allow me to proceed with my Google. So just stop sharing. So I'm about to proceed with my I'm gonna use my entire screen.
Just present it again, sir. Okay, coming.
Okay. Okay, so let's start our website. Okay, so as I have said earlier, kindly within your URL, type google.com. So as you have your, as you log in with the google.com, you have two options for you uh, to start with your Google site. So number one, you may use your you may type in within your URL. So this would be your URL. Type sites.google.com. Again, sites.google.com. And you are about to enter the homepage of the Google site. Another way is simply by means of the Apps Launcher or Google Apps Launcher. So kindly click this waffle and choose the application sites under the Google Apps. So this serves as the land page of the sites.google.com. So there are given templates to be used by educator to start your website. So I already have my templates. I have created a lot of websites and some of the shared template by my co-teachers. So let's start with the blank. Kindly click the blank. So since we are about to start learning how to create our own website, so we're gonna use the template, the blank template, and we are about to start creating our website with a scratch. So I'm about to share to you the basic part of creating a website. So this would be now our interface, the interface of the Google site. Okay. So we are going to start with creating the title, the name of the website that we are about uh, to do. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use Digifil, Digifil High School. High School. So I'm about to start with the name of the school as our portal. So this serve as the document name, Digipil High School. So this serve as the name of the site, Digipil High School. So same name. Okay. Then you may able to add a logo if you want to. So by simply hover your mouse with the name of the site and then click add logo. So you have an option to upload or to select. So if you have created your own logo already, so you may upload that particular logo within your website. So I'm looking for a logo. Okay, so this serves as the logo of our Digipil Tech Nation. So permission to use Sir Buenavides and Sir Norman. So upload. Okay. So I have now my logo. So you'll be able to edit your logo every now and then as you want to edit as or as you want to do some updates with the logo of your school. Okay. Okay. And then this serve now as the title page. So let's have the title page. So same name, Digipil High School. So I'm creating a school portal for Digipil High School. So you'll be able to resize the font by simply clicking the font style, the font size. You'll be able to change the font size and the font style if you want. So it depends on your taste or prescription. So you may able to bold the text, bold the name, italize, underline. If you want to change the color, simply click this A with underlined, and you'll be able to you'll be given the options for you to change the color of the font of your title, page title. Okay. Then let's do the changes when it comes to our background, the header. So let's change the header cover. So you have an option to change your header cover. So simply hover your mouse within the background page, and you have change image. Click this change image. Then again, you have an option to upload if you want to use your created background, or simply click select an image. So I'm using select image. So for select image, you have an option as under gallery, by URL, search your album or Google Drive. So let's search, then search for students. So this is just for demonstration purposes. So I'm about to use any uh, given options by the search, under search section. So I'm prepared to use this one. So simply select the image you want to use and then click select. Then that image will automatically be the header of your, or be the background of your title page. So you may do some changes with the color of your title. So I prepared to use black. So, and then you'll be able to resize this. Okay. 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 So we are done now with the name of our title page. This serves as the home page, called the home page. Then we are done with the header. So header image, this is called as the header image. Then for header, you have an option to use either a banner, a title only, again banner, large banner, or a cover. So I am prepared to use banner. So at the right side, you have here the insert pages themes. So you may click themes and select within the given options. So, so let's check the impression, the level, the vision, diplomat, Aristotle, and simple. So let's have our impression. Okay. So that would be for the themes, the insert section, the pages. So let's start with the pages. Okay, so we have the default page as home. So this serves as the home of our pages. Okay, then to add pages, simply click the plus sign. So we have here new page, new link, new menu. So simply click new page. Then I'm about to add as about. then click that. So this now serve as the page for about. I'm gonna add uh, academics. So referring to the subjects, the grade level. So you may rearrange this by simply click, drag, and drop to rearrange the position of the pages. So within our page, the active cell is the academic. So you'll be able to determine which of the active page you are within based on the menu. So this serves as the menu bar. So if you want to change the color of this menu bar, simply click the setting. Then we have here color as transparent or white or black. So just to emphasize, I'm gonna make use black as my menu bar color. Then we have here the mode. You have an option as a top or side. So this serves as the sidebar. Yeah. So sidebar, click. So these are the option for the pages. So about, then the academic. Okay. Then let's go back with the pages. So additional, I'm about to add. So let's say enrollment. Okay, not this one. Let's say others. Okay, and I'm gonna put this at the bottom part. So what I'm trying to do is preparing the structure of my website. So this is just a simple structures that you may able to use for your school portal. So again, school portal, we started with the school portal, creating the school portal. For the pages, we have the home, about, academics, then others. So for the home, so this would be the landing page of the website that we have created. So you'll be able to do the preview if you want. Click preview button and then preview, and then here we go. So this serves as the school portal that you have created. Okay. So we have the sidebar for the menus and the name of your site. So let's have add some content of our homepage. Okay. So click content, then add image. So let's have select or upload. So your site may be for private purposes or for public. Okay, so by URL, so let's gonna use the URL. So let's have students. Okay, by students. So you may use images within your specific school. So again, this is just for demonstration. So I'm about to use different images for based on the given options by the Google site. Okay. So I have inserted one uh, image. Okay, so you may able to resize this image if you want. So you may place this image any within any part of your section. This called section. Then try to add text by clicking text box. Okay, so B part. So let's have a good caption here. Be prepared for the future. So we are here to help. Okay, so for text box, so you may click text box, then add the text that you want to be part of your site. Okay, and then you may simply drag that particular text box to be part of the first section. Then you may able to do some changes with the font size. Uh, okay, and then this part called section, you may change the color of that particular section by simply clicking this icon, section color, if you want to emphasize. So by default, you have your style 1, style 2, style 3, or you may add an image to be the background of that particular site. So I'm about to use style 3. So be prepared for the future. So we are here to help you. Okay? So I use image, simply click image to add an image. So let's have additional image. Click image, then select. So again, you may upload image of your school or any school activity with your student. So let's say basketball. So yeah. So if you want to add an image with a basketball, so it's up to you the way you want to present your website. And let's have some captions here. So develop your physical aspects. So a lot of sports available, clubs uh, for you to join. For you to join. Okay. Okay. So develop your physical aspects. A lot of sports for you to join. So then Let's have resize our font. You may add an image of the school or the classroom settings, the sport, uh, other clubs that you have within your school. So for font, you have an option as normal, title, then header or sub header or simple small text. So let's use header. So, and then simply try to use style number 3 again. So let's have now our preview of the website that we have. Okay. So I'm gonna place this sidebar at the top. Yeah. So again, click setting, change our menu bar be at the top. So click top. So this will be the preview of our website. Okay. And then you have an option to preview with tablet, tablet view, or cell phone as phone view. Okay. So this is a simple home page. Then for about, so you may simply add, so I'm gonna use image, upload. So you may add the mission and vision of your school. If you have the mission and the vision of your school. So for under the about section, again, you may resize if you want to resize, if you want to emphasize. Oh, that's enough. Okay. So I have here the mission. I'm gonna add the vision. So definitely schools have their own mission and vision, in particular with a private school. But here in the Philippines, when it comes to public school, so we are using same mission and vision, and we have also the core values. So I'm gonna add these three: the mission, the vision, and the core value as part of the about page. So you may also add a short history of your school. So you may place it at the center. You may okay. So again, click preview if you want to check. Okay, so this would be the phone view. Okay, so I have the content for my about. So you may also change the image of your about page. Just to differentiate, let's have other header image for our about page. let's say school. Okay. So, yeah. So let's say about the image of the image of your school you want to use either the front part of the school or any images. You may use any images. Okay. And then for academics, so let's have the following: the grade level. Let's put it at the center. Then let's do the title. Okay. Grade level. Okay. And then let's say we have uh, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, and then grade 10. Okay. So since the name of my website is DigiPhil High School, so I have here with my academics the grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, and grade 10. Then you may able to add descriptions. So a guide description. So let's have click the grade level you want to visit, or you want to, okay, let's have this. So this instruction serve as a reminder for our user on how to use our website. So you may add an image for grade 7. So let's say grade 7 student. So just to add some spices within our website. So this is for grade 7. So you may, let's have this as grade 7. Okay, okay. And then for grade, so I'm gonna simply use, let's have add this image. So just to emphasize, right? So grade 7 student. Grade 7 student. So what we're trying to do is setting up our section. So this would be for grade 7. Then you may add other images if you want, or just simply clicking under grade 7. So you may reposition. Alright. Okay, so let's say this is for grade 7. So just so a picture of a grade 7 student. Let's have this one for grade 8. Go. So same as what we have done with the grade 7. Right. Then add additional image for grade 7. So let's have now the grade 8 students. Grade 8 students. Okay, so let's say this are the grades 8 students. And grade resize. So I just trying to give you an idea on how to lay out, to do the layouting of your portal, school portal. Okay. And then for grade 9, so I'm gonna delete this one. So this is just for demonstration. So you may add the grade 9, the grade 10, or other grade level as part of your page under academic. Okay. Okay. And then let's have now others. For others, let's say we're going to add files. Let's say we have here uh, for other, let's say we have different clubs. Let's say mathematics club. Uh, let's say basketball team. Let's say we have the music and arts. Okay, and others. So with the mathematics club, as the user click this point, this mathematics club, they be able to see all or anything all about the mathematics club. Same with the basketball, same with the music and arts. So make this clickable by simply having highlight this word mathematics, then click this one as insert link. So I'm about to teach you how to link the part of our school website. So I'm gonna add this one as be part of the family. Family, and then let's have the button as button. So click button and then name it as enroll. Enroll now. And then alright, so let's start with okay. So be part of the family, and then let's have here the word enroll. Enroll now. now. Okay. Then instead of using button, let's use text. Click title. Okay. And then place it at the center. Place it at the center. And this one. Okay. And go now. And then let's have our okay. So let's add first a Google form repairing to our. So I'm gonna simply go with my Google Drive just to get the link of the enrollment form or registration form. So make sure all the files that you are about to include with your school portal are within your Google Drive. And just registration form. Where- Let's have our registration form for IGP. So this serve as my registration form, created registration form. Okay, so I'm gonna take this one. Okay, so make it faster and then get the link and copy this link. Okay, go back to your portal, highlight the word enroll now, then click insert link, then paste the link. Okay, then click apply. So as this one have an underline, it is understood that this is linked to a particular form or document or something. Okay, so let's do the preview. This will be my homepage of the DGPL High School. Then be part of the family, enroll now. So once you click the word enroll now, you're automatically be landed to the registration form. So, okay, so you may enroll yourself, name of the student, some of the informations under registration form that I have created. We have name of the student's contact number, contact the student's contact number, the name of the guardian or the parents, the contact number of the guardian and parents, then the grade level you want to enroll. Then click simply fill up this form, then click submit, and you're automatically be one of the member of the family, the DGPL High School family. Okay, okay. So for academic, we have the grade 7, the grade 8, and then make sure that this two grade level is also part of your pages under academic. So you may add sub page as grade 7 and grade 8. Okay, so let's have another sub page, grade 8. Like that. Okay. So within academic, highlight, or you may use the image, click image for this section. So let's use grade 7, grade 7, yeah. Then the image, click this image, then link to grade 7. Apply. Then grade 8, highlight or use the image, then insert link, then let's have grade 8 and apply. Okay, so let's do the preview. So as the user click the image for grade 7, they automatically be able to access the grade 7 page. So, and then let's do the test for academic, then do the test for grade 8. Grade 8, click grade 8, and then automatically there will be a, you have an access for the grade 8. Okay, so this is just a basic part of a simple Digipil High school website or a school portal. Now, we will proceed now with creating a class website to link, and that class website will be used as part of the school website or school portal Digipil High School. So all the things that you have done with your Google site is automatically saved to your Google Drive under your Google site. So I'm about to log in again with the sites.google.com. So this time, let's make a class website. So the content of your school portal or school website are the subjects, are the class website of your teachers. So you are about to ask all your teachers to create their own class website, and that class website will be linked to your school website. So let's have, so I'm gonna name this as math. Sorry for the delay. So let's name this as math class. For the title page, uh, math class with teacher R. Then math. Okay, then let's do some changes with the background. So let's say mathematics. Let's gonna use this one. Select and okay. So math class with the teacher art. Okay, and then let's have this one. Uh, let's say we have here schedule. Schedule. So let's just type it and make it a center. The way you lay out your school portal uh, may be use you may use the same procedure the way you lay out your school portal. So let's have the schedule. Let's have the activity sheet. If you have an activity sheets for your students, okay, let's make it a sample. Let's say you have guide video, guide videos. I'm gonna use title and center. Okay, yeah, about this one, about this one. Okay, so then let's say you have your, so again, you may customize the color. So I'm gonna use this as blue, then as the blue color, just to differentiate. Okay, so now I have this serve as the home page. Now for the additional pages, kindly add schedule, then additional pages as activities, activity sheet. So we are trying to organize. So guide videos. Okay, so go back to your home page. Now link your schedule. Highlight the word schedule. Link to schedule page, activity sheet. Link to activities. Then this guide video to guide video. Okay. And then for schedule, so kindly click the schedule. Then you may add schedule by insert. So you may have simply click calendar. So to add calendar. So this is just for demonstration. So these are my classes. So you may add calendar or you may add a specific text. Let's say on December 3, let's say schedule uh, gift giving gift giving. So let's say, so you may add any let's say you have December let's say December 13 be your Christmas party. Let's say you have your Christmas party. So these are just simple content for a schedule. Okay, and then for activity sheet, let's say you have inserted an So click insert and then under your Google Drive, so you may insert, let's say, an activity sheet you want to use for your, so this is just, so let's say a video. So let's say I have insert this video under Drive, then under this watch the video and do activity number 12, page, do activity number 12. Okay. So let's say you have within your activity page, you have a video and then you have the guide, the description. So watch the video and do activity number 12. And then, so this would be for activities. And then pages under guide videos. So this time, so guide video from YouTube. So within your website, the sites, you'll be able to access the guide video. So you'll be able to access your YouTube. So let's say statistics. Statistics. So just click this and then insert. This automatically be inserted within your website. Okay, let's have another one. Then click YouTube to insert video from YouTube. So let's say probabilities. So let's say this one, basic probability. Click insert. Okay. So you may change the position of the video if you want to change the layout. So under insert section, so you may also insert uh, embed link from the URL. So let's say we have Edpuzzle. So let's say we have our Google Classroom. So you have your Google Classroom. So simply copy the link of your Google Classroom. So let's say this one. So copy the URL of your Google Classroom and then go back to the home page. Let's say math class, highlight this math class and then click insert link and then paste Okay. Or you may embed by clicking this one. Yeah, you cannot embed due to the provider set permission. Yeah. Okay, so once you preview this as a clickable one, so once you click that particular name, mathematics class with teacher art, you'll automatically be able to access your Google Classroom. All right. Okay. I, wait for a while. No, 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 no. I'm using my phone. Okay, so once you are done, so these are the things that you may able to insert within the pages of your website. So you have the text box, the image, the embed, the drive, you have the layouts, then collapsible group, table of contents, image carousel, the buttons. So try to explore all these elements as content of your website. Okay, and then let's do now the publish. So click publish, then have the name of your site. So this would be math class with teacher art. So be specific. Then who can view my site? So click manage. Then so you may set this as within your school only. So publish site under DepEd, under Department of Education, or you may public, you may use public. So let's have public, then click done, then public. Then let's have copy, publish site link. So I'm gonna copy this one, copy, and going back to my DGPL High School. So let's say under grade 7, I'm about to insert text box here, then name this as mathematics, mathematics class, or simply math 7. Center, then make it bold, type of, and do some colors. So what I want to do is, once my user click this mathematics 7, they automatically access the math class with teacher art. Okay? Then you may publish once all the subjects within the grade 7, within the grade 8, within the grade 9 are already part of your school website, DGPL High School. So let's say you are done with Mathematics 7, English, Science, um, other subjects. Once you have all the subjects, the link of those class site be part of your school website, DGPL High School, or any name of your school website. you may now proceed with the publish. So we're going to publish the Digipil High School, and then set the setting as public. Then click done and publish. Okay, and just simply copy this link. So this link, you may able to share this link to your students for them to access your school portal. So I'm about to close this one. Close. So this serve as the link for my Digipil High School. Yeah. Then let's do the test. Let's put it. Okay, so here we go. I have now created the school portal. So this serve as the home page. So Digipil High School, be prepared for the future. We are here to help you. Okay, scroll down. So develop your physical aspects. A lot of sports club for you to join. Then be part of the family. So let's check enroll now. Okay. So you'll be able to access the registration form to enroll. So going back to Digital High School about. So click about section, about page, then you have the mission and vision and the core values for academic. So you have grade 7. Let me simply click this one. Grade 7. So let's say you have the subjects as mathematics, English, science, and other subjects. So access mathematics 7, click mathematics 7, and you'll be able to access the created class website of the teacher, mathematics class with teacher Art. We have the schedule. So December 3, gift giving. December 13, the Christmas party for activity. So we have the given direction. Watch the video and do the activity number 12. So under home, we'll be able to access the guide videos. Click guide video and you have the page for the guide video with the statistics and probability. Okay, so let me have my PowerPoint. So allow me to share my PowerPoint. So I'm just trying to check. Here we go. So we have here my PowerPoint. So I'm gonna make sure that this PowerPoint be available to IGP for you to access. Okay, so I'm about to end my presentation with this quotation. Sorry. Okay, so I'm about to end my presentation with this quotation. Technology will never replace a great teacher. That is understood. Every one of us used to be a great teacher to our students. But technology in the hands of great teachers is transformable. So as we have our 21st century, teachers must be equipped with technology. Again, thank you very much.
Okay, what a very nice presentation, sir. I do love it. Very clear, and
So
I
looking
love how
forward
you
that the viewer of
deliver the
our
topic.
digital technician be able to learn how to create a simple school website and class website. So there are some applications, some softwares or platforms that may able to use to create uh, website for free also for free. So like Wix.com and others. But then I guess Google site is one of the best platform to be used for you to create your school website without uh, coding.
Yes,
So
absolutely,
looking
sir.
forward
Sir,
that
thank you so
our
much
viewers
for
be able
sharing
to
your
learn.
knowledge and expertise.
Yeah, very much welcome.
Yes, they learn, sir. We'll learn. And before we proceed, I would like to ask our participants what they have learned from your presentation. Because this is very relevant. Make a style, which is very important. So, to our lovely participants, could you please share us what you have learned from the presentation of Sir DeLeon. What have you learned? Can you share with us? You can write it in our chat box and then I am going to read it. Everybody, please write what have you learned from the presentation of Sir Arthur. He has a
If
very
you have
clear
some
presentation.
if you have
Mm-mm.
some questions, I am very much willing to entertain your questions.
Yes, so many of our participants said, thank you so much, sir. Yes, so, okay, Ma'am Marisa, thank you so much, Sir Arthur. Sir Art. Okay, I like your nickname, sir. Sir Art.
Art. So my student called me Sir Art.
Mm, I love it, sir. Okay, so share with us what have you learned from the presentation of Sir Arthur?
Right. So very much welcome to Mama Carmela, Ma'am
Mm-hmm.
Marisa, Ma'am Mary, Jennifer.
Yes. Mom Febeline. Okay. Sir De La Torre. Thank you, sir. Okay. So, now I think, okay, thank you so much, our lovely participants, for your participation to listen to Sir Arthur. And then now, okay, from Ma'am Fai Tamano, I learned a lot from this presentation and how to make school website or portal. Yes, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very
And
much.
Ma'am Fai appreciated your presentation. Okay, from Mary Jennifer, thank you, Sir Art, for giving a knowledge about making simple Google sites. And for Mom Lani Amata, thank you. Participants that I learned about the site. I saw the I saw that earlier in Google and wondered how to use it. And now I know. Okay. Thank you, Mom Maurice. And Mom Jessica Belolong from Pima University. Okay. Facebook user, this is a quick option to create a live show. Simple website. And from Sir Rumel, though it has limitations, its features are already enough to make a simple, powerful website. Okay, thank you so much, sir, for appreciating the presentation of Sir Arthur. Okay, things that I can use to my teaching career. Absolutely, sir. And from Mom Kaing, well understand about the classroom engagement tools using Google Sites. Okay, so thank you so much to our lovely participants. And now be ready for our quiz competition. Then after quiz competition, we will proceed to Q&A or question and answer.
Okay, so good luck, everyone.
And from Sir Crispian, thank you. Okay, so now time for quiz competition. Okay, so our code for tonight quiz competition is IGP quiz. Then you can see this link in our comment box. So right now we have more than 50 participants. So keep on joining. Code is IGP quiz. Please go to www.slido.com and use the code IGP quiz. And reminder, so please write your or use your complete name when you joined our quiz competition for your e-certificate. Right now we have 60 participants. Very good. And counting. Sir Archie, Ma'am Lani, Sir Paul. Okay, so please use the code IGP quiz. Okay, so let's start. Question number one. Please select the types of navigation that Google Sites provide. Is it A, top and side, or B, side and center? You have only two choices. Okay, 16% said side and center, while 84% said top and side, and that is the correct answer. Congratulations. Okay, top one is Ma'am Farilla. Question number two. The first page that Google Sites loads is called A. Site page or B. Home page. So again, you have only two choices. Manolita A, Mamarisa A. Okay, so the correct answer for question number two is home page, and 76% of the participants got the correct answer. Okay, still the top one is Mom. Okay, now Mom Elias. Number three, using Google Sites, the main pages are the top level of the website. A. Folder. B. Leather. Mm-hmm. B. Ma'am Loma. B. Ma'am Marisa. B. Okay, so the correct answer for question number three is letter A, folder. And 80% of the participants got the correct answer. Okay, still the top one, Elias, Austria. And question number four, how do you add a new page? A, from the home page, and then you have to click on the plus sign, or from the pages page, then click on the plus sign. So how do you add a new page? So the correct answer for question number four is B, and only 29% of the participants got the correct answer. From the from the page, click on the plus sign. Wow, Elias still the top one. Okay, question number five. To remove pages from a site, go to the pages menu and click A. Delete. B. Open page. Then click trash can. Okay, so what is your choice? Is it A, you have to delete it, or B, you have to open then click trash can? Said delete, while 35% said open page, then click trash can. But the correct answer is delete. Okay, you have to remove it or delete it. Still the top one, Elias. Okay, question number six. In Google Sites, the blank option allows the user to save the content of the site without making it visible to the audience. A. Preview or B. Publish. Okay, so the correct answer for question and 91% of the participants got the correct answer. Still, the top one is Elias, followed by Felinita. Okay, question Question number 7. The blank section is displayed at the top of each page and should contain the names of all pages, the title of the site, and a logo. A. Header. B. Footer. Okay, what do you think? The correct answer for question number 7 is A. Header. And almost all of the participants got the correct. Oh, still the top one, Elias. Elias? Okay, question number 8. The blank impacts the font style and color as well as the overall color. C, B, theme. Okay, so the correct answer is theme. And 76% of the participants got the correct answer. Now, the top one is Ma'am Felinita. And question number 9. A user should be sure of the blank and blank of the site before analyzing its composition. A. Publishers and sponsors. B. Topic and audience. What do you think? Okay, so the correct answer for question number 9 is of the participants got the correct answer. Very good. Still, top one, Mom Felinita. Okay, so last question. You cannot add blank to your Google Sites page. A. Office 365 documents. B. Maps. Okay, so the correct answer is letter A, Office 365 documents, and 62% of the participants got the correct answer. Okay, so who is the top one or the top 10 of this quiz competition? The top one is Mom Carmela, followed by Sir Eugene, Elias, Romel. Okay, so congratulations to all of you. Okay, congratulations. Okay, top 10 until wait, 8 Leah, B 9 Felinita, 10 Mom Nicole. So, but don't worry, you are all winners. You are all winners. Congratulations to all of us. Oh, Ma'am Angelica, unstable internet connection. So, better luck next time, Ma'am. Okay, so again, congratulations to all of you. Okay, so now please prepare your question for our speaker tonight. Okay, so we are going to proceed to Q&A portion. Yes, sir. Okay, so now again, we are in Q&A portion. So let us welcome once again our speaker for tonight, Sir Arturo. Sir, again, welcome.
Yes, hello,
Oh, we
ma'am.
have
Yes, hello,
first
ma'am.
question from Sir Romel. Hi, sir. He's watching on YouTube. Good evening, sir. So, sir, are you ready for our Q&A portion?
Ready.
Yes, I know you are ready. 101% ready. Okay, sir. First question. What should be the exact size of the image to be used as a background banner to the home page? Thank you so much for that wonderful question, Sir Romel. So, sir, what is the exact
Yeah.
size of the image?
Okay, so Saramel, thank you for that
Whether it
question. So am I loud and clear? Okay, so
Yes,
when it
sir,
comes to the
very
size of the
clear.
image, there's no specific size for the image to be used for the banner, for the background banner, provided that the image is within a high resolution, then definitely you'll be able to use
Mm.
that as a banner, background banner.
Mm. Okay, I see. So there's no exact size of the image you can use for your background banner, sir, as long as your the photo is in high resolution. Okay, thank you
Yes,
so
of
much,
course.
sir, for your wonderful answer. Okay, so another question. Thank you again, Sir Romel. Wow, again from Sir R. Key. Question. It is allowed to share the site to our colleague while working on creating the website? Another relevant question. Thank you so much, Ma. Sir Arky, I don't know, sir or mom. Okay, so,
Oh,
sir?
okay. So when it comes to creating your website, you'll be able to share that particular website or that particular site that you are about to create by simply add your college as collaborator. So you may add
Mm,
your college as collaborator for you to work to create your class website, school website with the collaboration of all the members of the group. So again, it is okay to
oh,
share. It is possible to share. It is possible to add your college as collaborator for you to create your school website or class website.
wow, very good. So it means, sir, Ken. So you have to add your colleague as collaborator.
Collaborator.
Okay, thank
Yes, ma'am.
yes, very clear answer. Okay, thanks again, Sir Arthur. Sir Art. And question from Manolita. Hi, Mom. Good evening. How can we use Google Sites to package relevant question? Thank you, Mom Manolita. So, sir, how can we use this Google Sites to package
To
content
package
for
content
students?
for students. Okay, so definitely this is the duty, the assignment of the
Mm.
teacher or the creator of the website. So the content of your website is what are the things considered as packages for your students. So make sure you organize all the possible needs of your students within your website. Then that is
Mm-hmm.
the way you'll be able to package the content of your for your students. So just make
I
sure
see.
that all the content of your website is all the needs of your students. The
Mm.
the worksheet, the activity sheets, the guide videos for them to learn, even without the teacher, the other related sites. So make sure that
Learning
all the
resources.
contents of your website, the learning resources that are needs by your students, then make sure that would be part of your school website or class website. So that is
Yes,
how you'll
very
be
clear
able to
answer,
cater
sir.
the
Thank
needs
you
of
so
your
much.
students.
So, in short, yes, all the learning materials, right? Okay, so thank you so much, sir, and thank you again, Ma'am Manolita. Okay, question number two. So she has two questions, sir. Question number two: how can we condense a large file of certificates into one PDF file at 100 MB? Yeah, very nice question. So, sir, how we can condense a large file of certificate? Maybe Google Drive, sir, into one PDF file. Okay, if we
Into a
if
one PDF
hand
file.
yeah 100 MB. Mm.
Okay. So again, how can we condemn a large file of
Condense.
certificate into
Mm.
a PDF file to 100? Okay. Um, so is it related to Google Site? Okay, so again, when it comes to your file, I think you'll be able to save this file to your Google Drive. Uh, even it uh,
Mm.
even it is a 100 MB file. So I think Google Drive be able to cater that particular amount of file. So when
Yes.
it comes to Google Site, if you want to include this within your Google Site, but just simply add the link. So get the shareable link of this file and insert it or include it in within your Google Site. So just make sure it is within your Google Drive.
Yes, I think that is in my mind, sir, also. Mm. Yes. Save to Google Drive and just my internet. Oh, sorry for the internet
The challenges
interaction.
within the
Okay.
internet.
Question from Mom Carmela. Yes, exactly. Sir Art, you mentioned all the potentials of Google Sites, but what is are the limitations of it? Thank you. Okay. Now, Sir Mom Carmela, she wants to know the limitations of the Google
Okay.
Sites you have mentioned a while ago.
The limitation. So when it comes to pictures, when it comes to creating
Mm.
your websites, uh, for the limitations, there are some things that you're not be able to do with it when it comes to layouting of your website compared to using an application creating a website by coding. So when it comes to layouting, there are some
Mm-hmm.
limitations. So uh, like uh, like the overlapping of the pictures and the image, like changing the background color of the image within that Google site. So those are part of the limitations. But then when it comes to the Google site, the Google site itself, uh, let's say the school portal or the class website or the class site, when it comes to limitations, I think the internet connections, definitely the limitations. Uh, your students will not able to access your Google site, your class website, if there is something wrong with the internet connection. Then limitations. Uh, if there are a limited content of that site created by the creator, by the teacher, So that would be the limitations.
Okay,
So,
that
but
is the limits.
then
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful answer. I think I have a internet problem. Sorry for this. And sir,
does the Google site takes
um,
storage in in our Google Drive?
Sir Stewarp said, ang galing nyo daw po.
Sir Archie,
Okay, does the Google site take
um,
storage in our Google Drive?
the answer is yes.
Okay, does the Google site
Yes.
take storage in our Google Drive?
I observed that regular Gmail address there's no site in the section together with the Drive, Sheet, and others. But when I use my Depot account, it is or the site is automatically there. Now, do you think, sir, I can use the site, for example, for my personal page, like online selling page? Yeah.
Okay,
This
wait.
question is from Maris. Yes, ma'am, 100%. You'll be able to create your site using your personal account and for a specific purpose, any purposes that you want to use
Okay, yeah,
your
Ma'am
site.
Maurice. Sir, I observed.
Okay, so this
Yeah.
would be your answer, Ma'am Maurice. So
In
simply
online
within your Google.
selling.
That would be the problem. Internet connection. Ma'am, you have an internet challenge. Okay, so the answer is simply yes, ma'am. You'll be able to use your personal account by simply log into sites.google.com and you'll automatically be able to create your website. It's either be for your personal purposes like online selling, or other purposes.
Mm.
100% yes. Just simply log into sites.google.com. It's either be within your personal account or your debit account. Yes, you may create your site.
Now, so you promote the uh, site of our sellers. So that's a very nice also, sir. Thank you, sir. And again, question number 4 from Manolita. How can we gamified a Google site escape room for students?
Escape room. What do you mean by escape room? So within your Google site, you're not be able to use
Yes, I
Google site
really
as the gamified itself. So just simply you'll be able to use your Google site
mm,
to access. So simply uh, uh, make that particular gamified application as part of your Google site or website or your class website, and your students be able to access that uh, particular platform. Let's say let's say you are about to make use of Kahoot, make use of Slido.com. So simply add the link of that gamified platform within your Google site, and they be able to, and the teacher and the students be able to use Google site to link to access that particular platform. So let's say you have your lesson. After that particular lesson, okay, so let's say we are about to proceed with a short game. So within your Google site, you may give an instruction as click the link for uh, skido.com or kahoot.com. So automatically automatically your students be able to proceed and access that particular gamified form.
Okay. So thank you, sir, for that wonderful answer. And question from Mom Aldrin. What is or are reason why some Google sites are 404 error? What are the reasons?
Okay. Okay, so the reason, based on my experience, so I do encounter that error also for 04 errors. So one of the reasons simply the the internet connection, the stable internet connection. If you have some problem with the connections, then definitely the problem. Then number two, it is simply because Google site is free, and
Mm-hmm.
Google used to be the server of your class website, of your created school website or portal. So then that would be the reason why you'll be able to encounter 404 error, but not all the time. So there are just some of the times be able that you may able to encounter that particular error, but not all the time. So again, simply because Google site, the Google serve as your server, so that would be the problem. Then the next one is the internet connection.
Okay, so thank you so much, sir, for the your answer to the question of Sir Ardrin, Mom Ardrin rather. So again, once again, let us thank Sir Arturo E. De Leon from the Philippines for his remarkable presentation, sharing your knowledge and expertise tonight. Thank you. Our lovely participants, please let us thank Sir Philippines. And again, on behalf of IGP, so we will give away December 1, 2, and 3 webinar code in a short time as our website is not working properly. Okay? Not working properly. Our technical team are trying to solve it. Be patient, just collect the certification link. So when everything is okay, you can download your certificate. Again, December 1 as our website is not working properly. I think because of the maintenance. And our technical team are trying to solve it. Be patient, just collect the certification link. And again, thank you so much for your time and your participations tonight. All the way from the Philippines, Sir Arturo De Leon. Sir, thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you very much to Institute of
Salute.
Global Professionals. Thank you,
Salute,
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mm-mm.